Where is Eiffel Tower?
Eiffel Tower is located in Paris.
Who built the Eiffel Tower?
It was built by the French engineer Gustave Eiffel.
When was the Eiffel Tower built?
It was built in 1889.
What are you going to be when you grow up?
I'm going to be a teacher. I'm going to be a doctor. I'm going to be a pilot.
Name two monuments around the world.
The pyramids in Egypt. The Great Wall in China.